If you want to use your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max as a webcam on your computer, then here's what you can do. So if you have Mac, then in that case we can open the settings, and in here we can choose General, and then in the General you should be able to find AirPlay and Continuity. So in the case of iPhones and Macs, you just have to make sure that you have the continuity camera enabled, and this allows you to simply use your iPhone as a webcam, as we can read over here, for your Mac when both devices are near each other. Of course, you want to make sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi connection, for example, to be able to choose your iPhone in apps where you can use the camera. So whatever you use for the webcam, you should be able to find in video options your iPhone if it's near your Mac and if you use the same Wi-Fi. Now, so this is quite easy, but in case you cannot really use your iPhone 17 Pro Max or Pro with your Mac because you have some issues with the continuity feature, or if you have Windows, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that allows us to use our iPhone as a webcam. So we're gonna go to the App Store, and of course we can find a bunch of different apps that allow us to do so, to use our iPhone as a webcam. But in my case, I'm gonna show you Arion. And this is the app that I'm gonna use. This one over here, we're gonna download this one, and we will have to download it on, well, on our computer as well, whether it is Windows or Mac. It actually works for both Windows and Mac, of course. And let's actually open it. So in here, of course, we will have to grant the permission to find devices on local networks. And we need to grant the access to the camera so that, of course, the app can use our camera and the microphone as well. And like I said, we also have to download the app on our computer. So we can go to the arion.com website, and over here you should be able to find the download links. You can download for Mac and you can download for Windows. And of course, once you get the installation file, then you should be able to install the app on your computer. After that, you will open this window over here if you finally install the app. And over here we can read that, of course, the Arion webcam is running on our mobile phone, so that checks out. And of course, the phone and this PC should be connected to the same Wi-Fi, so you have to keep that in mind. And in the meantime, of course, I disabled the app for now, so I can show you this message. But if you open it and if there is a connection, then you should be able to immediately use your camera on your computer. So I'm going to switch to the desktop, and as you can see, it works just fine. Now the resolution might be a little bit wrong. It's stretched out actually, so let's try to fix that. So the fix is actually quite simple. We just have to rotate our phone and then the view will be much better. Let me switch to the desktop. As you can see, it works just fine. The quality is now much better. Now over here we have these three lines that we can click on in order to also choose the resolution, so you can adjust it over here in case you want to or need to. And on our phone we also have some additional options like the mirror effect and also the flashlight, so you can use them as well. Keep in mind that, of course, while using this app you should probably also provide the power. It should be charging pretty much all the time, because definitely this app will drain the battery on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. By the way, if you want to disconnect your iPhone from the app, if you want to stop using it as a webcam on your computer, then you just have to exit the app and that should be it. But like I mentioned, keep in mind that probably you want to keep charging your phone during the process of using the phone as a webcam. And that should be it. Of course, after that, if you open any app that uses the video, you are looking for probably for the app name or the name of your phone in order to start actually using your iPhone as a webcam in a given app on your computer. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.